In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Ramp Network. Now to do this, you want to go to their official website, or of course the app is going to work as well, and you have two options. You could go to the bottom right and click on this button over here, which is going to pull up their support chat, and of course you can go and click on send us an email, which is going to allow you to basically send them an email from here. You'll get of course all the info you need and stuff like that. Or you could go and of course search for help or go to messages over here and actually send them a message via this support chat over here, okay? So that's also going to be possible. Now that's the first way to do this. The second one is to go to support up top, which is in the top right. This is going to take you to their support over here. And as you can see, if you scroll down here, you have a few options. You could go and read these popular articles. You can see everything about them, or you could go to customer support help center. And if you do this, if you click on it over here, it's going to take you here where basically you can see like all the different guides and tutorials, okay? And of course, you can then get in touch if you ever want to using the email or directly over here via this chat. So that's kind of the best way to contact Ramp Network. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.